Hello and welcome to Claudine Math. Today I want to show you how to solve verbal problem leading to systems of linear equations. Let's look at example 1. A store sells 30 pairs of shoes for $1,817.40. Girls' shoes sell for $56.98 and boys' shoes sell for $62.98. How many boys' shoes did the store sell? When we do the word problem, we need circle, underline, and box important information from the problem. We can circle the key numbers and units, underline the question, and box keywords. After we isolate this information, we are able to solve it. Step 1. We need a key. Since the problem contains girls' shoes and boys' shoes, we need two variables. We let G represent the pairs of girls' shoes and let B represent the pairs of boys' shoes. Step 2. Write algebraic expression. The question said the store sells 30 pairs of shoes. That means girls' shoes and boys' shoes are equal to 30 pairs. So we write G plus B equals 30. The question also said the store sells the 30 pairs of shoes for $1,870.40. That means the total sale is $1,870.40. Here, girls' sales is $56.98 per pair for G pairs. So we write 56.98 times G. Boys' sales is $56.98 per pair for B pairs. So we write 62.98 times B. So these two equations are the systems of linear equations. After we have the systems of linear equations, we are able to do the third step, solve it. We can choose either substitution methods or elimination method to solve it. The variables G and B in the first equation has coefficient of 1, and I can easily write the variables by itself alone, so I choose substitution method. In addition, the question is asking for the number of boys' shoes, so I can substitute girls' shoes with boys' shoes. Here I can rewrite the first equation as G equals 30 minus B. I can replace the G with 30 minus B in the second equation, so I have 56.98 times 30 minus B plus 62.98B equals 1,817.40. Use distributive property to open the parentheses. We have 1,709.4 minus 56.98b plus 62.98b equals 1,870.40. Combine the like term, we have 1,709.4 plus 6b equals 1,870.40. Subtract 1,709.4 from the both set of equations. We have 6b equals 108. Divide 6 on both side of equation, we end up with b equals 18. For the word problem, we need a last step. Write an English sentence to interpret our solution. We can write, the store sold 18 pairs of boys' shoes. That's it for the example 1. Before we move on to the next example, let's have a quick summary. For the word problem, we need circle, underline, and box important information from the question. Then follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Make a key to represent the variables. Step 2. Write algebraic expression. Step 3. Use either substitution methods or elimination method to solve it. Step 4. Write a sentence to describe your answer in the context of the problem.